Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use and send bulk messages and everything about WhatsApp broadcast. So I'm going to show you how you can send same messages to multiple people by using WhatsApp broadcast. So what is WhatsApp broadcast? WhatsApp broadcast act as a group only, but here WhatsApp doesn't allow you to create another group. You can send messages or track them whether your receipt has been read that message or not by using WhatsApp broadcast. So how it works, let me show you. So for this, first of all, open your WhatsApp application. Now click on these three dots and go to new broadcast. Now select the people whom you want to send the messages. For example, I want to send messages to two people. I'll just select two people from my contact list. Now after selecting the people, click on this tick mark. Now the group of your pupil has been created, but this group only visible to you. Now just write the message whatever you want to write. Now you have to send this message. Now to check whether this broadcast message is working or not, go back. Now I am selecting this person, and now as you can see, a very small symbol has been popped up on the message. That means this message has been sent by using broadcast message, and this symbol will be visible only to you. So in this way you can send one single message to multiple people by using WhatsApp broadcast. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.